Hey guys, I just wanted to do a quick review of my 2022 Subaru WRX. Um, I've had it just over 4.5 months. I got it back in the middle of May, and it's currently the very end of September. Kind of did a little list of things that were positive and a few negatives I had about the car, not many, that I thought you guys might be interested in. The 060 video is coming. I'm just waiting on better weather. So I'm gonna go here, let's take a look at my list. Positives for me at least, I'm a little bit over 6'4", and legroom is a major factor in comfort. So legroom and headroom are fantastic in this car. Somebody who's probably 6'7", 6'8" would fit just fine. That's a huge positive for me. So I've got the premium. It comes with the giant touchscreen. I think it's like 11.6 inches or something like that. Basically a tablet, and I love it. I love the touchscreen. I can play music and have the Waze going on in the background. I really like how easy it is to use. For me at least, it works very well. With the premium heated seats, even though I'm in the South and it doesn't get cold per se. Our winters are like maybe 40 some days, and the next day it'll be 60. The weather's pretty good here, but heated seats are nice to have in the mornings when it is colder. A really light clutch. The clutch is not the lightest clutch I've had, but one of the lighter clutches. The lightest clutch I ever had was an RX-8. That clutch was like nothing. It was like almost like nothing was there. Super light. This clutch is really light though. It's easy to press. Why that matters, a heavy clutch isn't fun in traffic. Most of us have, commutes in the morning or the afternoon where we're sitting in traffic, and you might be clutching in and clutching out to get into first gear, and the clutch is super light. It doesn't bother me at all when we're in traffic. Where I'm at, there isn't a ton of traffic. I maybe sit in traffic, I think I live about 12 miles from work, and in the morning it'll take me 35 minutes. So about an extra 10 minutes of traffic, nothing crazy. But the light clutch is nice to have. Confidence inspiring all-wheel drive. So the all-wheel drive system, as we all know, is awesome. The extra ground clearance is nice to have. So we don't have to worry about potholes and tearing up the undercarriage of our car. And the all-wheel drive is nice because where I live, it rains. It rains a lot. They have a saying here, if you don't like the weather, wait a minute, because it's, it'll go from pouring down rain to sunny skies. So with the all-wheel drive, is really nice to have for when it is raining, to feel like a little bit more in control. Now we'll move on to the negatives. There isn't many. I wish that the buttons for the heated seats were not on the touchscreen, that they were actually physical buttons. They could have put them somewhere, either like in front of the shifter or below the touchscreen. It would have been a nicer touch to be able to click, 3 clicks on, like 3 levels of heated seats. That would have been nicer. So that's a ding. The major ding that I have, and like I said, this is on me. I could have got the Carmen Carden, but I wanted what was available when I bought the car. The stock sound system it's garbage. So basically, my plan is to upgrade that. OEM Audio Plus has an awesome system out for our cars, and I plan on getting that. I guess the only other ding that I have is the stock exhaust, again, these are things that I can fix, but the stock exhaust is aggressive and throaty at the startup. Like when it's warming up in the car, at least for me in the garage, it's pretty loud. But when I get going and it's warmed up, it's very quiet. So eventually I'm gonna get a muffled exhaust with a resonator so it sounds better and will sound good other than just startup. That's pretty much all I had. Like I said, almost 5 months in, I think I've got a little bit over 4,000 miles, no complaints, not major ones. I love the car, and more content to come.